Hi, this is Lederhosen Salesforce. This is the second portion on just security issues. Previously I talked about Marketing Cloud Security 101. This is going to just be security issues per se, which you need to think about in your things. And I've seen stuff in Salesforce. So at the end you'll know. One is watch IP addresses. Two is I'm going to send a list of the things on the end here. I'm going to splice to it. Other key things you need to watch. IP address, login times, where they're logging in from, etc. Right? So, for instance, how do you shut down a utility grid? You could spend a lot of money on a bomber or things like that, right? Or you can have a backdoor in a subsidized joint Cisco router, right? And then have the back door. And I know personally from talking to Cisco guys, occasionally they get extra stuff in their routers. And that back door is typically to a Chinese company, right? So that's a lot better. Just spend a little extra money and have a back door to your enemy's router, and you can, it's net effect the same, but a lot cheaper. Or how do you monitor your enemy? My good friend has a camera made in China, and he has a security camera, right? You can have a satellite-based thing, costs a lot of money, or you can subsidize the camera production for internet security and have them update to an IP address in China. So his simple driveway camera in the hills of Santa Cruz is trying to update to an IP address in China, right? He blocked it. Right, but net is, this is a great way to get eyes on the street for very cheap. You're helping people almost like, oh, this is a better, cheaper IP address camera. Oh, of course I want an update. It's baloney, right? You need to block that stuff. So how does this relate to Salesforce? Well, there are some new internet protocols on this and new protocols. And in the next segment, I'm going to do a voiceover on it for the things you need to watch. I think there are about 10. It's the new 2020 enhancements. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Please subscribe.